Alright guys, we're at Gorio's house and they finished the ceiling in here. Looks good. And then now Gorio's working on this side. And they ran out of some 2x4, so I'm gonna go get a few more materials so they can finish up. Then hopefully soon we can start to paint. Alright guys, so we just made a stop to pick up some more wood for the ceiling. So 6 more pieces for Gorio. That's $5.70. Thank you. Alright, so the delivery came in. Yeah, that would be nice to have. Maybe I can put some kind of cart on there.
Yeah, so whenever we go to Toledo, we don't need to hire someone to deliver all those stuff.
That would be pretty handy.
And I can just ride. Woo, woo.
Yeah, no need to pay the delivery fee anymore. It'd be nice. But here is the wood they came in, and this should be able to finish the ceiling. Alright, so they're getting ready to put the ceiling up in here. And then we will start painting over here. It wasn't me. At least you can paint with no one cursing again. Alright guys, so I think we came to a stopping point for today. I'll just kind of show you what we've accomplished. Gorio is just going to finish this another time. And eventually we'll paint that and the ceiling should be pretty much done. This is like 3 or 4 coats, but that plywood really does soak it up. So I think we're going to wait for it to dry, and then whatever else needs a little touch up we can come back. Like right there as it's drying, you see it might need a little bit more. So we might need to get some more paint eventually. But I can really tell with that ceiling, it does feel a little bit cooler. Maybe it's later in the day and the sun's not as intense right now, but right now I do feel it is a little bit cooler with the windows open like that. So I think this will make a big difference with the ceiling. They can be a little bit cooler here. But anyway, we're looking at his tools here. And he said he made this at a very young age. How old were you when you made this?
Pila edad ni mo, himo ka na tay.
40 kapi.
Mga 40. Like 40 years old.
About 40 years old. Okay, but how old are you now? If you don't mind
Pila
me
na
asking.
edad ni mo ron tay?
67.
67. Well, you live really good for your age. So that's almost 30 years ago. So this is like 30 years old almost. And it's like a wood scraper. You probably saw earlier in the video him using it. And it just makes the job a little bit easier. I mean, he wouldn't be able to fit a lot of these pieces of plywood up there if it wasn't for this. So, I mean, this is very durable. And what do you call this here?
So ito na tay?
Isapilla.
Sapilya.
Sepilia. So, all right, I'm not sure the name for it in America, but I have seen these in stores before, and I'm not sure how much they go for, but he made this, so
Liki.
that's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's still sharp.
Yeah, it is. It was going through that wood pretty easily. And then this, did you make this as well?
Kaya tayo, tigil mo na tayo.
Gabas.
Kasi tigil mo na.
Oh.
You need it too.
Wow.
Gabas. Gabsan.
No need to go to the store and, spend the bucks to buy it, and we can just make your own. Yeah, it is. So I think for today, I think that's about it. And then once you get the ceiling up, we'll try to come back and update this. So I'm not sure exactly what's next, but we still do have the materials for the walls and then the ceiling. And then we still have some cement for the outside terrace. And then the walls for the outside, the finishing. So, like I said before, one step at a time. But today was a good day. We got the ceiling almost done, at least 90% done. We just got that little bit more to go. So, Gorio is one hard-working guy. Mary Joy is lucky to have you. So just a little bit more to go, and then Gorio will have a comfy bed, and then a table, and then a bench. So eventually we'll check in Macario as well. So I guess we'll see you next time, all right? Hey guys, so look who it is, Macario.
Oh, yes.
Bro, how's everything going? So this looks like it's gonna be a table.
Table.
Nice. So he's hard at work. You can pretty much guess what they are now. They're taking form. Here's the bed. And here's the bench. So nice, really good looking furniture. Nothing beats bamboo furniture. I just think it looks so cool. So I'm really impressed. How's the bike? Is it good? All right. That's good. That's good news. Now it's easier. We drove by here a few different times because we wanted to update, but he wasn't here, so he was out doing errands and getting things that he needed. So that's nice. That just makes it so much easier having a bike that works, so he can go back and forth whenever he needs something. So this is our first chance actually getting to see him and seeing the progress. So that's really good news.